Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Now let's enter the wallpaper option, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, from our own gallery, which is simply our photos, or the wallpapers which are defaultly installed here, and I will pick something from those options. As you can see here we've got defaultly installed wallpapers. What's more, if you've changed your mind, you can always tap on my photos and then you will be transferred to your gallery. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and if you are happy with your choice, just tap on Save Wallpaper in the left upper corner. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been changed immediately. Let's also check the lock screen, and as you can see it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.